Today is another day for CoreSage miners to make some money. If you're a CoreSage miner, then in this video I am reminding you to claim your core based on what displayed on your dashboard depending your level. Let me claim mine. If you scroll here, you can see I have 1.3 core to claim today. You can see total claim here, right? So if you're not joined CoreSage, please, you are missing a lot, right? So let me tap on claim. So once you tap on claim, then tap on confirm. So here, let me verify my fingerprint. So you can see it have successfully claimed, right? So this goes straight to my wallet. Now, this is where most people miss opportunities like this. Many crypto enthusiasts still don't really understand what CoreSage is. CoreSage is a platform where you can mine core coins daily, direct deposits. Coins go straight to your wallet. No withdrawal waiting. No need to wait for approval to access your fund, right? No hidden lockers. Your assets are not locked. Long-term contract. Full control. Your wallet remains completely under your control. So why you are not joining CoreSage? You can start with about 60 core, right? Just 60 core. I think it's about $2 or $3. Yeah, $2, right? I think $2.1, $2.7 to $3. So this is very cheap, right? So then you upgrade your level or use referral to increase your daily earnings. It's not compulsory to use referral, but if you have referral, you can use referral to upgrade. But you don't have referral, you can upgrade by using the same code to upgrade yourself, right? CoreSage business is better than free mining. Let me tell you something here. Free mining takes a lot of time, sometimes year before you earn anything meaningful, and some projects even disappoint the community. But CoreSage is a smart contract built on the core blockchain, giving you the chance to accumulate core long term while the price is still low, right? With CoreSage business, money flows directly into your wallet daily as you mine and claim your core coins every 24 hours, right? If you have already joined CoreSage business, refer others or upgrade your level to increase your mining rate, boost your daily earnings. Right now, core is pumping hard, right? Core is actually pumping hard. Those who started early, as I post about core on this platform at long time. So those who started early, as I am saying, they are already in profit and smiling. Don't wait until it reach $1 before you register or upgrade, guys. It is still cheap to get started or level up. Don't miss this opportunity. One important thing about making money online is this: the earlier you join an opportunity, the higher your chance of earning more. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with CoreSage, check out on this video description section or comment section. You get a step-by-step how to get started on CoreSage right now. If there's anything you don't understand, drop your questions in the comment and I will reply as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, consider liking this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see new opportunity I share. The earlier you join, the earlier you earn. I will see you in the next one.